What is going on, guys? Ride or drive, dropping another one. Wanted to really quickly touch on this Cerus gear. Is it Cerus or Cerus? I don't know, but either way I wanted to touch on this. This is a cool little mat that you can use. Let's say you went to the range and you wanted to clean your firearm, and you don't want to get the oils and all the other stuff, the dirty stuff, the carbon, onto your table or whatever surface you're using, while you're cleaning your gun. So I got this. I went to a friend's house and I started, cleaning and lubing the pistol. I got some oil on her table and she went berserk. So we were looking online and we found this little doodad from this company here, and it's cool because it's actually they have different brands of the mats. They have different sizes, so if you want like a Glock, you want a Sig Sauer, you can do that. I got this one for the CZ P10. The other cool thing is the illustration that it has. Let me move everything out of the way here. The illustration that it has of all the pieces. There's the recoil spring, there's the barrel, there's the slide, there's the back straps. So it has all this little illustrations that you can see, and it also gives a name for it, like 30, it's the back strap and everything. So this is the size that I got. I kind of wish I would have got a bigger size that that I could use, but it's perfect. The other thing about this, it's also washable. So when you do clean your pistol, you could just take it to the sink or whatever and just wash it off. It does absorb the oil pretty good, because I have spilled some oil on it and I cleaned it up and it worked fine. So these are pretty cool. Check them out, man. It's a little simple solution, so the wife or girlfriend or husband, whatever it is, you don't have to complain about, don't get that stuff on the table. I have it on my computer desk, but this is pretty thick. It's pretty thick, so the chemicals are not going to go through it. And like I said, it's washable, so you could just take it. And made in the USA, so that's a cool. And like I said, it has the illustration of all the parts here. So if you don't know what this is called, you can just look up number 2 and it'll tell you that that's the barrel right there. And you don't know what this is part number 3, and they list it as the recoil spring assembly. So pretty cool little item. Quick video. I just wanted to show this off to you guys, you pistol owners out there. Kind of deviated away from my normal videos that I upload on YouTube, but I got into the hobby of having pistols, so that's what it is. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.